Alright, so we finally get to work on it. We got it jacked up, got the hood open. First order of business was to reconnect those two spark plug wires in the back, make sure they were in the right spot. Next is to replace the starter with a new one, and we already made sure the engine's not seized, so I'm just trying to get that lower bolt. It's got that top one is already came off, and then it's got the bottom one. So I'm trying to get under it and do that, and then put the battery in. Got the battery tray lid off, and battery tray in there. We just gotta put the battery in, and then we gotta see if it starts. But yeah, dude, stoked to finally be working on this.
Quick test crank again, just make sure.
Quick, slower or quicker?
That's fine.
Okay.
All right, fire extinguisher's right there. We should be fine.
All right.
Throttle is.
Do you want me to pull the choke?
Throttle.
Huh?
Step on the throttle. Going off.
It just sticks.
Yeah, the spring's gone.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna run the throttle by hand.
Okay.
You're stepping on the clutch.
Yep.
Crank. Oh, turn the key on.
You said don't turn it off. All right, ready.
Yep. That's good. All right. We need a spark tester. Let's get the 12-volt jump pack. That is spinning really slow. Alright, I'll take care of throttle control. I put it in here, let's get it out of here. See, I won't have you do it, you thought you had it anyway. I'll have to clutch down on it. Yeah, that may or may not mean something. I think it's out of here. Yeah.
All the way towards you and all the way up, right? Or no, in between.
In between, yeah.
Yeah.
I think we're good. I'm still not going to stand in front of it, yeah.
Key on, right?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Hold on. Battery just sparked it.
That's loose.
Ready?
Keys on.
Yep.
Go ahead. It's cranking too slow.
You think the cold cranking amps is different than the original battery?
Or we have a voltage drop. I'd be curious to go from Yeah, to do the voltage drop tests on it. Let's go again. Yeah, it's just cranking too slow. It's not gonna have enough movement to get the air down and in. Maybe we let me grab the jump pack, I guess. Good.